In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule a meeting in Microsoft Outlook fast using the latest 2025 guide. Let's dive right in and make this process as seamless as possible. First things first, you'll need to navigate to the Outlook web, open your favorite internet browser, and type in the URL https://outlook.office.com. Once you're at the Outlook website, you'll be prompted to log in with your credentials if you aren't already signed in. Enter your login details to access your Outlook interface. Next, let's move to the Calendar section. On the left sidebar of your Outlook window, you'll notice several icons. Look for the calendar icon. It usually resembles a small calendar page. Click on it, and this will redirect you to your calendar view where all your scheduled events are displayed. In this calendar view, you'll see a button labeled Plus New Event towards the top left of your screen. This button is your gateway to scheduling a new meeting. Give it a click, and you'll be greeted by a form where you'll input all the necessary details to set up your meeting. In the event form, let's start by crafting a catchy and clear event name. This should be the title of your meeting. Having a descriptive title helps attendees easily identify the purpose of the meeting. Following the event title, there's a section for inviting attendees. Simply enter the email addresses of those you wish to invite to your meeting. Be sure to double check these to ensure you've included everyone. Next, it's time to set the date and time for your meeting. Select the start and end times that best fit your schedule and the availability of your invitees. If your meeting will have a specific location, you can fill that in as well. This is particularly useful if the meeting is happening in a physical setting. Alternatively, if it's online, you could write Microsoft Teams or leave it blank. In the description section, there's room to add the meeting agenda or any relevant notes. This is a great way to inform attendees of what's expected during the meeting or any materials they should prepare in advance. Now, if you plan to host the meeting virtually, there's an optional step where you can toggle on Teams meeting. By doing so, you'll generate an online meeting link, making it easier for participants to join remotely. Once all these details are entered and you're satisfied with the setup, it's time to send your invites. Click the Send button located at the top right corner of the event form. With this, your meeting invite is dispatched and it will automatically appear on all your attendees' Outlook calendars. And there you have it, a quick and efficient way to schedule a meeting in Microsoft Outlook. I hope this guide helps you streamline your scheduling process. Happy meeting planning!